Shovel in hand, U.S. President Donald Trump helped move the first bit of dirt. This is where the Foxconn technology group has chosen to expand its operations. Trump is claiming credit for the project. With this deal, the Taiwanese company promises to invest $10 billion in a manufacturing plant and hire up to 13,000 people to work there. This is a huge project. What's now Wisconsin farmland will eventually include a nearly 2 million square meter facility where flat-screen TVs will be made. Manufacturing is not as vibrant as it once was here in Wisconsin and elsewhere in America's industrial Midwest. But business officials here believe Foxconn, the assembler for major brands like Apple and Sony, could give the region a major economic shot in the arm. Up to $3 billion in financial incentives were provided to the company by the state.
We're fortunate that it's here. We're hoping to obviously impact all of the local folks as far as job and stimulate growth and just, build economic, transparency and bring manufacturing back to Wisconsin.
But not everyone is on board with Foxconn's plans. Some worry that wastewater from the facility could contaminate nearby Lake Michigan. Foxconn says an extensive recycling system is in the works. Others object to the way they say residents were forced from their properties to make way for the project.
When we were going around and talking to all the landowners, hearing their stories, we were just devastated that, the city could be so, just have total disregard for these, for their, people that live here.
It's a lawsuit. We have a couple of folks that are holdouts. We'll continue to work with those folks to do the best we can to make sure we can come to reasonable terms with all of them.
Trump says this project is an example of how manufacturing is returning to the U.S. He claims over 300,000 of those types of jobs have been created since his election. Site preparation is already well underway. The facility is scheduled to open by 2022. Hendrik, Sybrandy, CGTN, Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin.